Hello everybody and welcome back to BruvCode. In this video we'll be looking about modules in Python. So modules are widely being used in Python, so let's get started. In today's video we'll be doing modules. First, what is a module in Python? Well, a Python module is a file containing Python code that can define a function or a class or a variable. So a class is an object. We'll not start object-oriented programming, but I hope we'll start that in the future. But then, since this is the basic series, it defines functions and variables. Now, what is the point of them? They are used for organizing code and then making them reusable code, namespace management, and third-party packages, and many more. So the difference between a module and a package is that a module in Python, sometimes it comes installed by default, and while a package in Python does not come installed by default, that we have to install it. But since we're not on the advanced or intermediate level, since the beginner level, that means the packages don't come installed by default. Now, how do we make a module? It's possible to make your own module, but to make it, you need to create a Python file. You can name the Python file whatever you like. And for example, here is my module with an underscore. This cannot contain spaces because otherwise Python won't recognize the module and it will give you a module not found error. Now let me explain what the module not found error. That type of error is an error when a module isn't installed in Python, or sometimes does not come installed by default. So now, how do we add the module to a Python script? And don't forget to import the file name to a Python script. It must be the same as your other Python module. And here there's the py, so you need to ignore the py here, because Python will just treat the file name as a module. And you can add functionality by defining functions, adding variables, or other functionality for code. So let's open up the idle window, and so I'll just explain the easiest way to make a module. So I'll just hide this for now, and now we're going to create a new file. I'll put it the same and now I'm going to create another Python file and save this one right now, and tell us and say module example. So here we just created a Python file and a module, and now I'll just resize it like this, and say name the module whatever you like. For this example, say my module. Now we're going to define some functions. Say def print hi. And also, if this is your first time hearing to know how to code, I'll be explaining everything we did in the previous beginner series. If you are a beginner, please subscribe right now before we get started, and I'll also recommend watching my previous videos. The playlist link is in the video's description box below. So as I'm making the modules, I'll say print hi, and inside the brackets we'll put name. And now we want to say print hello, I meant hi, and say name. So now, since we've defined our function, we can start importing it to our Python script. So let me just put it here and say import my module. And now we're gonna so for the print hi function to work, so you type my module dot print hi. You enter any name you like. For this, I'll just type in Federico, and if I try to run this, it says hi, And also you can add variables to the module. So let's remove this for now. And now let's say my variable equals, let's say this is a variable, and let's say second variable equals, let's put a random number such as 21. Say my module dot my variable, the parenthesis, give me an error. Let's say print, or you can also do it another way. So let's say from my module import my variable, and now we want to print my variable. So it's only working with the function for me. But anyways, you also define other functions. I say def my function, and then a parenthesis. Let's say name equals input. Say what is your name? And let's say, so let's say import my module. So let me just remove this highlight first and then say my mod, or you can just say my module as my, say my function. We're going to run the function without any brackets. So if we run this on the idle shell, so let's ask what is your name, letter my name, does nothing because we haven't added some functionality yet. So let's say print, so we can say hello name, it's, say hello name, nice to meet you. So if we run this and change our name, there we go, our module is functioning. Now here are some changes for you to do all by yourself. So now, since I've explained like everything we did with the modules, we're going to make a program that has your own Python module input to the main file, and make a program that has your own Python module but must have your own functions defined and your own variables created. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing right now. I need 10,000 subscribers, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss on any new videos. Like the video right now if you appreciate it, because it really helps me out. And any questions, suggestions, or feedback, leave in the comment section below, because I'll answer your comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Also guys, please subscribe. I need support in reaching 10,000 subscribers. Go subscribe right now. Click the subscribe button or click the link below to subscribe. So just subscribe right now, and I'll see you in the next video.